Welcome everyone to a Khan Academy tutorial. We are doing angles of a polygon. For all you geometry students, this is probably chapter 6. We're going to talk about polygons and their interior angles. Let's go ahead and get started. We are asked, what is the sum of the interior angles of the polygon shown below? One thing you have to understand is the interior angles are these ones. Okay, all here, and I'm not saying that they're equal. If this was a regular shape, they would be equal, but an exterior angle would be this one right here. So if you extend the side, I should probably pick a different color. If you extend the side of one of these sides, it creates two angles. One, the purple, that's the interior, and then one, the green, that's the exterior angle, okay? So we're talking about the interior angles, so we're talking about our purple angles here. And we need to know the equation for these angles. Now the equation for the sum of the interior angles of a polygon is n minus 2 times 180. Now n is equal to the number of sides. So this equals the polygon interior angle sum, okay, just so you know. So this is the one equation that you're going to use probably for this exercise. I'm not sure what other questions, but this is like the main one. So the first thing you need to know is you need to know the number of sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we know n is going to equal 5 for this problem. And we simply do 5 minus 2 and then times that by 180. You're going to need a calculator most likely for these problems. So I have mine handy and I typed it in 100% incorrect. So I'm going to try it again. 3 times 180. And I get 540. So it's a pentagon, it's a 5-sided shape, it has an interior angle sum of 540, and we're done. Moving on to the next one. Same process, so we have n minus 2, going green this time, equals 180. So we count the number of sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we have n equals 10. So we have 10 minus 2 times 180, that equals 8 times 180. 8 times 180, and that's going to give us 1440. So we're going to type in 1440 for this, and that's going to be our answer. Next question. Very simple here. Again, all we're doing is counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 interior angles. Double check that. So now we have 9 minus 2 times 180. See, I'm going taking a little bit of shortcuts here. Not shortcuts necessarily, but just kind of combining steps, not shown at all, just so you guys get the idea. So we have 7 times 180, and so we have 7 times 180, and that is going to equal 1260. So now we have 1260, and then check that answer. Boom. We're moving on to the next one. What is the sum of the interior angles of the polygon shown below? Okay, it doesn't matter that they're not equal sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Doesn't matter that they're not equal sides. We just have to know that the number of sides, whoops, I don't know what I'm doing here. N minus 2 times 180, going back to the basics. How many? I said 6? Yeah, 6 minus 2, 180. 4 times 180. I think that's going to be 720. So we're going to type in 720. No calculator required for that one. 360 times 2, 720. And we're good to go. That's it. Pretty easy. You'll be hearing this sound in no time. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time on Wes Explains Best.